Plankton is the starting point for all life in the seas. This is because plankton can be at the bottom of the food chains. This means that if plankton dies and reduces its numbers, animals such as fish, crabs, plants and mammals which feed on plankton will also die out and fall in numbers.
However, this also means that it would affect human life. Safety first with goggles and lab suits. This vinegar represents the acidity of the salt water, while the canister represents the form of the plankton. This tablet also represents the calcium within the plankton. Let's do the experiment. Half of man-made carbon dioxide is absorbed into the ocean's water. This causes the salt water to become more acidic, forming carbonic acid as a compound of oxygen, salt water and CO2.
With the Blue Sound project, we've been nighttime tracking.
If you get lost, a compass is something you can use to find your direction.
To make a homemade compass, you will need
A magnet,
a bowl of water,
a needle,
and some greaseproof paper. Some animals have their own built-in compass, such as humpback whales, Arctic terns, some turtles and lobsters. The homemade compass works as when you rub the needle with the magnet, you leave behind magnetic material, magnetising the needle itself. Compasses point towards the Earth's magnetic field, the North Magnetic Pole and the South Magnetic Pole.
These are near the geographical poles but distinct from them. By placing it on water, friction is reduced, allowing the Earth's magnetic field to pull at the opposite poles of the needle.
On a deep, dark, gloomy night, the Blue Sound team went rock pooling, searching for anemones under UV lights.
Ultraviolet!
Yay! Under UV light, snake-locks and anemones glow green. This fluorescence may work like sunblock by channeling harmful UV light into less harmful green light, which is less damaging to the anemone. Further research is required. Visible light ranges from red through to violet. Infrared and ultraviolet light are on far ends of the visible light spectrum and are not visible to humans.